But you keep taking pictures.
I'm not taking pictures, I'm making a video, sir. Because we are trial, I think August 20, we have a trial. So I'm going to show it to the judge. Because illegally install camera inside the apartment to see the owner of the unit.
No, why are you taking pictures?
Yes, video.
Why?
So this is the owner of the property, Gisoli.
So?
She claimed,
I have to be protecting my place. Take a picture
obviously,
of my
we're not the one doing anything illegal. David is the one that wanted anything illegal. David doing the illegal stuff, not us. I live here, I pay my rent, I got to receive. I got to receive everything I paid.
You're just living on somebody's,
That's fine. I'm just taking my evidence, that's all. Thank you guys.